Okay, hi students, good morning. Previous class we have discussed important formulas. Integration of f dash x by a square plus f of x whole square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse of f of x by a. So this type of formula 6 we have discussed. Those you should copy and those you should remember. Okay, by using that we can solve the problem very easy. So previous class we have discussed up to 213. Now the question number 214. Integration of ax square minus b by x into root of c square x square minus ax square plus b whole square dx. Okay. Now integration of x. Here divide by x square, here take our x square, take common. When you take x square common, here we will get x root of c square minus ax square plus b by x whole square. This is x square, take common. If root x square means x comes out. Here ax square minus b dx. Integration of ax square by x square is a minus b by x square dx by root of c square minus ax plus b by x whole square. Ax plus b by x considered as f of x. Ax differentiation is a and b by x differentiation is minus b by x square. Okay, this is a square. So which is in the form of f dash x by a square minus f of x whole square, which is equal to sine inverse of f of x, ax plus b by x by a c plus c. Next, 209. Integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 16 dx. This is direct formula. Sec inverse of x by a. Understood? We can go to the material. There in the synopsis you will get the formula. Integration of 1 by x into x square minus a square equal to sec inverse of x by a. Okay? This is here 4 square here. A square, or if you even want a formula, no? This is integration of dx by f of x into f of x whole square into a minus a square into f dash x dx equal to formula 1 by a sec inverse f of x by a. So 1 by here, and how much is 16 means 4, and sec inverse of x by 4 is answer. 210. Integration of 3 by root of 9z square minus 1 dz. 3 by root of 3z whole square minus 1 into dz. 3z differentiation is 3. Okay. F of x derivative is here. F dash x by root of f of x whole square minus a square equal to log of f of x 3z plus 3z whole square minus 1 plus c. Next 212. Sorry, these all we have discussed, I think. 210, 214, no, sorry, after 214, 215. Question number 215. Integration of cos x dx by cos 3x. Cos x by cos 3x we can write 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x dx. Cos x dx, here 4 cos x, take common here, or 4 cos cube x take common here, you will get 4 minus 3 by cos square x means 3 secant square x. This get cancelled. 1 by cos square x equal to secant square x dx. 4 minus 3 secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. Secant square x dx. 4 minus 3 1 minus 3 tan square x 3 root 3 tan x whole square. Let this is f of x. F of x differentiation here. Root 3 tan x differentiation is root 3 secant square x multiplied by root 3 numerator and denominator. 1 by root 3 f dash x by a square minus f of x whole square equal to 1 by 2a. A is 1 log of a plus x 1 plus root 3 tan x by 1 minus root 3 tan x plus c. Next, 216 integration of a power x by root of 1 minus a power 2x dx. A power x dx by root of 1 minus a power x whole square. A power x is f of x. A power x differentiation is a power x into log a. There is no log a here. Multiply by log a numerator and denominator. So 1 by log a base c. This is in the form of a square minus f of x whole square under root f dash x equal to sine inverse of a raised to x by 1 plus c. 217 integration of e power x dx by root of 5 minus 4 into e power x by minus e power 2x. Okay, here this is the quadratic equation form we can make here. I am going to take common here minus e power 2x plus 4 e power x minus 5, only this part. So minus e power x whole square plus 2, a is e power x, b is how much? 2. Okay, add 2 square 4, here minus 5 is there, minus 4, so minus 9, right? This is equal to e power x plus 2 whole square minus 9. Okay, so integration of e power x dx by root of, this is multiplied by minus here, 9 minus e power x plus 2 whole square. Okay, this is can write 3 square f dash x by a square minus f of x whole square equal to sine inverse of, this derivative is here, sine inverse of e power x plus 2 by 3. Next, 218 integration of root of x by a cube minus x cube dx. Root of x dx by root of a cube minus x cube. This is, can I write like this? A cube we can write a power 3 by 2 whole square, then in the form of a square it is x cube 3 by 2 whole square. This derivative is here, x power 3 by 2 derivative is 3 by 2 root x. So 3 by 2 multiply here 3 by 2, 2 by 3 here 3 by 2. So this derivative is here, f dash x by root of a square minus f of x whole square equal to sine inverse f of x x power 3 by 2 by a 3 power. This is the answer. Next, 219 f dash x equal to f of x and f of 0 equal to 1, then integration of dx by f of x plus f of minus x. F dash x equal to f of x means f of x equal to e raised to x, because e raised to x derivative is e raised to x, and whether it is satisfied, check it, and it should be satisfied this also. Put x is equal to 0, e power 0 is 1, correct. So substitute here dx by e power x, f of minus x equal to e power minus x, dx by e power x plus 1 by e power x. Take LCM here, this is comes up e power x dx by e power x whole square plus 1 square. Which form it contain? This is the f of x. F of x differentiation here, f dash x dx by f of x whole square plus a square equal to formula 1 by a means 1 tan inverse of f of x e raised to x by 1 plus c. Integration of root of x by a cube minus x cube dx. Yes, just now we have discussed this same model. The question is repeated 2 times this. 218 and 220 both are same. Next 221. Integration of x into 1 minus x square by 1 plus x power 4 dx. Yes. Now splitting here, this is x into 1x, x by 1 plus x power 4 minus x cube by 1 plus x power 4 dx, correct. This is integration of 1 plus x square whole square and x dx. This can find differentiation. Let this is f of x, x square differentiation 2x multiply by 2, then minus integration of x cube by 1 plus x power dx. This how can find? The whole denominator derivative is there here. What is the derivative of 1 plus x power 4 is 4x cube. So multiply by 4 here. So 1 by 2, this is f dash x by a square plus f of x whole square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x square by a minus 1 by 4 log of 1 plus x power 4 plus c. Next 222. Integration of dx by 4 sin square x plus 4 sin x into cos x plus 5 cos square x. Okay, divide by cos square x here. Then you will get secant square x numerator. Here 4 tan square x divided by cos square x here. Here cos square x. This comes up 1 by cos square x secant square x, 4 tan square x plus 4 sin by cos, 1 cos get cancelled, tan x plus 5. Okay, this is, we can write 2 tan x whole square plus this is 2 tan x into 2a is 2 tan x, b is 1, add 1 plus 1 means 5 minus 1 4. Up to this, if I add secant square x dx by 2 tan x plus 1 whole square plus 4 means 2 square. Which form it contain? F of x whole square plus a square. F of x derivative is this. 2 tan x plus 1 derivative is 2 secant square x multiplied by 2 here. So 1 by 2 f dash x by f of x whole square plus a square equal to tan inverse of 1 by a. 1 by a is 2 tan inverse of f of x 2 tan x plus 1 by a is 2 plus c. This is multiply here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into that. Next 223 is important for JE. Integration of dx by 1 plus 3 sin square x. Sin square x, cos square x, if it is that model, okay, the whole denominator part we should make in terms of sin and cos. Here in place of 1 write sin square x plus cos square x, right? Okay, tell me the whole number values. Sin square x plus 3 sin square x, 4 sin square x plus cos square x. You will get this form. After divide by cos square x, you will get here secant square x dx by 4 tan square x plus 1. Finish. The question is integration of 2 tan x whole square plus 1 square. 2 tan x differentiation is 2 secant square x, 2 not there, multiply by 2 and dx. Understood? 2 tan x whole square, this derivative is here. So answer is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Tell me tan inverse of 1 by a means 1, f of x 2 tan x by a 1 plus c. Next one is 224, important. 223, 224, 225, these are important for JE. dx by 2 minus 3 cos 2x, dx by 2 minus 3 cos 2x. Same procedure here. This is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 into cos 2x. Make it this is in the form of sin square x and cos square x. 2 into 1 replaced by sin square x plus cos square x minus 3 cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Tell me 2 sin square x plus 3 sin square x equal to 5 sin square x, and plus 2 cos square x minus 3 cos square x is minus cos square x. Divide by cos square x, you will get here secant square x dx by 5 tan square x minus 1, or this is root 5 tan x whole square minus 1, root tan x derivatives, root 5 tan x derivatives, root 5 secant square x multiply by root 5 numerator and denominator. Now which form it contain? F dash x by f of x whole square minus a square, which is equal to 1 by root 5 1 by 2a into log of f of x whole square minus a square. Tell me f of x minus a by root 5 tan x plus 1 plus c. This is, if cos x also there here, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, in place of 1 write sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Next question, that only. 225, integration of dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. Same, 5 into 1 plus 4 cos x, 5 in place of 1 write cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, right, plus 4 cos x equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So similarly dx by same ditto, but there cos 2x is there, here cos x is there, half angle will get 5 cos square x by 2 plus 4 cos square x by 2, how much? 9 cos square x by 2. 5 sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin square x by 2, 1 sin square x by 2. Divide by cos square x by 2, you will get here secant square x by 2 dx by 9 plus tan square x by 2 over tan x by 2 differentiation is secant square x by 2 f dash x dx by 3 square a square plus f of x whole square equal formula 1 by a tan inverse f of x tan x by 2 by 3 plus c is the answer. Next, question number 226. These all are important for JEE. dx by x plus 1 root of x plus 2. So this is let x plus 2 equal to t square. X plus 2 equal to t square. Let x plus 2 equal to t square. Then dx is equal to 2t into dt. You can solve yourself. We'll get here. dx is equal to here 2t dt. By x plus 1, x is equal, tell me, t square minus 2 plus 1. Root of x plus 2t whole square is t. This t get cancelled. So integration of 2 into dt by t square minus 1. Finish. X square minus a square formula. Tell me x square minus 5 formula. 1 by 2a log of t plus 1, t minus 1 by t plus 1. T substitute here. What is the t? Root of x plus 2. 2 get cancelled. Next is the most important JEE x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1 dx. Is important for JEE. X square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 1. See, this is x square whole square we can write here, or x square take common here from the numerator and denominator. X square plus 1 by x square. Here x square take common 1 plus 1 by x square dx. This get cancelled. This is a square plus b square. We know the formula. A square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab, or a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here which is suitable, that we have to select. Here a square plus b square. First I am going to take this. A x b 1 by x whole square plus 2 a is x, b is 1 by x. Numerator 1 plus 1 by x square. Is it suitable or not? If not satisfied this, then go for this. Check it. X derivative is 1 minus 1 by x derivative is plus 1 by x square. Yes, is satisfied. This derivative is here. So this is cancel it. If not there here, minus if there, then you take a plus b here. So this derivative should be there in the numerator. F dash x by f of x whole square plus 2 cancel here. This we can write root 2 whole square. Then answer is, tell me, 1 by a root 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by x by a root 2 plus c. This is the answer. Next one, question number 229. 3x square plus 2 by x square plus 1 into 2x square plus 1 dx. This is by splitting and partial fraction will get it, right? This is, you write it, 2x square, okay, 2x square plus x square plus 2 and plus 1 and plus 1. Denominator is same thing. This is right together and this is right together. So 2x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into 2x square plus 1 dx. By splitting, this get cancelled, 1 by x square plus 1. This get cancelled, 1 by 2x square plus 1 dx. This is the formula direct, tan inverse x. This is also, here you can write root 2x whole square, f of x, let this is f of x. F of x differentiation is root 2, multiply by root 2, numerator and denominator. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse of root 2x by 1 plus c. Next, 230, integration of dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Divide by cos square x here. You will get here secant square x dx by a square plus b square tan square x. B square tan square x. Integration of secant square x dx by a square plus b tan x whole square. This is the f of x. F of x derivative is here. B tan x differentiation is b secant square x multiply by b numerator and denominator. So 1 by b f dash x by a square plus f of x whole square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of f of x b tan x by a plus c. Next one, integration of 233, 12x cube plus 8x by x power 4 plus 1 dx. This is also easy, you try yourself, splitting here. This is 12x cube by x power 4 plus 1 dx plus 8x by x square whole square plus 1 dx. X power 4 plus 1 differentiation is 4x cube. So this can write 3 into 4x cube. So this derivative is here, 3 into log of x power 4 plus 1. X square differentiation is 2x. So then we can write 8 here, 4 into 2. This differentiation here, f dash x by f of x whole square plus a square, 4 into tan inverse of x square plus c. Next, 234 also we have done. Let x plus 4 equal to t square. 235, integration of sin theta d theta root of 2 minus cos square theta. This derivative is here, cos theta derivative here, minus sin theta multiplied by minus, which is equal to sin inverse of f of x cos theta by root 2. 236 also divided by cos square x. 237 x minus 3 equal t square. 238 let sin x equal to f of x. 239 integration of sin x into cos x dx by 1 plus sin power 4x. This can write 1 plus sin square x whole square. Sin square x differentiation is 2 sin x into cos x. There is no 2, multiply by with 2. Okay, a square plus f of x whole square, f of x derivative